Khopkhunkhap. And today is Monday the 7th of October. It's 11:30 AM. Sid Ed Sam Sid, and today I'm coming to you from the tent deep within PAI Forest with another triple unboxing. Sam. But first, newsflash. I spent the morning searching, lost and found, for a Nung earbud, my right earbud. It was missing. Everything out of the tent. No. I thought I'd have to look under the decking. After laying down during meditation, went into sleep, and when I'd woke up, the left bud I found, say about here, after I got up, went down to use the toilet, back, sorry, that was when I believe I saw the earbud. When I came back, just one. I thought I'd find the other in the morning, but no, I kept looking, and then I thought on the walk maybe it was caught in my clothes, in my hood, dropped it, maybe in my pocket, dropped it, and no, but then just now on the way back to begin the video, it was there, and luckily no rain since, so it's fine, it works. Just tried it, it works. So very happy. Because I use this obviously for editing and speaking to people on the phone and listening to music, meditation. These are my small earbuds, Soundcore, as opposed to the Space Ones, which I was planning on using for editing. But now I have my Liberty 3 Pros back, the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros, pair of them. Khopkhunkhap. Now on to the unboxings. So Nung Song Sam, unboxing Nung. Okay, we have a protective sheath for the pencil, the Apple Pencil Pro. Little grey protective sheath and little white top. And a little gap for the logo. So we will show you this in action and on a later video. And that goes on this end. Okay, so Nung. Song. Ah, we have a thank you. Thank you. Khopkhunkhap. Okay. Nung Song Sam. And this will make good kindling for firewood. Or is this a little... oh, they've given us a... this is a hanging basket, I believe. And we have a hook. That's amazing. We can put a pot in there and hang. I can't think what else it's for, unless it's for hanging the syrup so it doesn't get eaten or attacked by ants. Someone let me know. There's a basket gift. What is this for? At first I thought it was extra packaging. This is for hanging. Very good. We have a gift already. A hanging pot for. Well, I think we're going to put a pot plant there and try and hang it up on our hook. We'll show you that at a later video. Okay. So this is. Let's show you. We have Nung Song Sam. Now, look at what you see here. Nature 100% premium cultivated banana syrup. This is beautiful. Cultivated banana syrup. Premium cultivated banana syrup. Product of Thailand. 100%. 300 millilitres. Now we have Nung, we have Song, and we have Sam. They also have banana cider. But this, however, I use to flavour Kratom. So I believe you may well be off to buy a bottle of Kratom this morning to flavour. I'll be heading for food again at the J Festival by the female Buddha. Some food, and I should say for that video, or say yesterday's video, because today's video is the unboxing, but that was yesterday. So for that video, click say here. Boom, boom, boom. I'll add that later. Okay. Now we have Nung Song Sam. Cultivated banana syrup. Now this I like to put in, as I said, the Kratom, and it's very good. I may well try it. Anything I'm thinking of porridge in the morning. Maybe have a little bit with milk. I don't know. Maybe without the milk. Maybe flavour the porridge banana. So yeah, no milk instead of milk, perhaps. We'll see. The milk I use is generally it's all soya, rice milk, vegan milk. So put these over here as well. And then the final unboxing. Just seeing if I can see any prices. I can't remember now exactly. I believe the total, actually no, the total was $947 for the 3 Nung Song Sam packages. With flash, we delivered these last night. $947. Can't remember individuals. Now, here we have something that could be useful. Even though we have a lot of different styles, we don't really have a decent enough, not like this anyway, foot rucksack bag, which I'm just thinking now, I'm hoping this is waterproof. I believe it was waterproof. Let me don't know, does it say on it? Dong, large capacity, be always in your style. Bang dong, bang dong, bang dong. So the colours, I just thought pretty colourful. We have some turquoise, we have the shark face here, and this feels waterproof, I'd say. I don't know, the zippers, I'm not sure. I'll have to see if it has a label in here, or otherwise I'll look on the order. Oh, we have somewhere to hang keys, that's useful. That's what I'm thinking. I think this bag came with all of the extra, so we have, you know, pocket at the front, place to hang keys. We have a double, nice. Opens up, we have one pocket for paperwork, say. Another pocket for don't know, will the tablet fit in there? I'm not sure. Maybe. Try it. Otherwise maybe some more paperwork. We have a pocket on the side for water, which should fit, water bottle. Let's just test it out. Stretch it. Yes, that will fit a water bottle or cider, cultivated banana syrup bottle. I meant, sorry, not cider. Banana syrup. Water bottle fits nicely. It's a 750ml water bottle. So you know what can fit. And then we have, yes, you've opened this, you've opened that, so we have double pocket there, pocket here. We have small little fastenings for sort of the, depending on the thickness that you want it, and just the extra style, I suppose. And then if you fold the flap back down, close it up, then we have the main compartment. So open up, we have a decent sized compartment with, again, lip for something, maybe your phone here. We have Mung Sam pockets within there. And the main pocket, which is a tablet, will definitely fit, computer will fit, the clothing will fit. But yes, this is what I planned on using when I go down south, travelling through Thailand. This will be easier to carry everything, as it has separate pockets and can fit more belongings in. And it seems, the material seems, I'd say better than, I don't know if it's water resistant, maybe it's water resistant, maybe not waterproof. We'll find out. But we have an umbrella, we always have an umbrella. So, okay, Khopkhunkhap. Small song Sam. Okay, so if you're watching today, then please like, share and subscribe, as it helps Breatharian Travels to grow. And I will see you all on the next video. Khopkhunkhap. Okay, quick update. These little toggles are on each one, so not necessarily for hanging keys, say. They are designed to hold, and that is how the zips open. And I suddenly found the extra zip on the top down here and realised, and I've also taken everything out of my everyday bag and put it into this one as I believe I'll start to use straight away. It's very comfortable. Everything's in there, the extra room if I need to hold a bottle of Kratom. Yes. Ding dong. Khopkhunkhap. See you next time.